special guest today on the vlog, my younger brother Ryan. So he's turning 23 and he's going to be celebrating here on the island of Oahu. We're gonna go around, do stuff and more stuff, and we'll figure it out. He has an Instagram page that you can check him out. Instagram is
Ryan Ramos_fit.
And he does a lot of fitness pictures, videos, and nutrition promotion. Just have a good time and let's just get it going. So for breakfast, we're gonna be taking them to the Lika Bakery is the bomb.
Yeah.
That works just as fast.
That's so good.
These butter rolls here at the Lika Bakery are amazing. This is like a guava jelly, and this is a butter roll. Yes, please. Thank you. Hot cakes. Thank you. Oh yeah.
It makes it more flavorful.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, please. So the Loco Moco's got the egg, the hamburger right here, and the rice. And this is fried rice along with the gravy. Alright, we are back at the Dole Plantation. They've never been, so I told them I'd take them. I didn't think I was gonna vlog here again because I already did one vlog on this place. I didn't want to do another, but oh well, here we are, right there. Okay, we made it to the first checkpoint, which is warrior thing, whatever it is. Anyways, let's see if we can fill this in here. Apparently this is a stencil and you put it through the slot down here. Okay, that's not very good, but that's what it's supposed to do. All right, Raiden and I have done 4 of the 8 stencils that you have to collect. All right, so let me break this down for you. It's a maze, and on the map there are 8 different points that you have to find within the maze. Each one of those points has a stencil for you to trace, and so you get one of these little souvenirs, these tickets, but on their tickets you can trace out the stencils, and it's just like something you could take with you. It's a fun little activity for the kids. As you can tell, he didn't like it. It's hot. If you got a hat, bring a hat. Sunscreen, wear some sunscreen. If you're bald like me, best of luck to you. Ran into a slight complication today. Raiden is feeling sick. We were out and about at the swap meet over here in IE at the Aloha Stadium. Bought him some French fries because he loves his French fries. However, he's throwing it up. So we got to the swap meet, he started throwing up. Took him back to the car, let him sit in the cool AC for a bit. Doesn't have a spare shirt. Poor kid. Having a tough time. He can't even keep his french fries down or his drink. Giving him some Powerade to kind of replenish those electrolytes.
I may have gone a little weight.
Okay, got this crazy idea. Let's go try to buy Raiden a shirt since we're here at the swap meet. Shirts are generally cheaper here. See if we can find a shirt here for Raiden. You have small shirts?
Small, right here, little
Yeah.
kid right there.
How much?
$6 for one, $4 for one.
Okay. 4 for 20, 6 for 1. Let's see here. Let's see what the small one looks like. Oh. It might be small enough. See if we can find someone somewhere cheaper. Alright, I think we found some. It's one for $4. One for 4, so let's see. This is it. Let's try to find you
Yeah,
one.
but 100% custom, yeah, so they will swing a little bit. Yeah, I give 8.
Here you go. I'll take this
Yeah.
blue one. Right
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mahalo.
Okay, I think we found Raiden a shirt. $4. This thing right here. Something basic just to hold him over until we can get home. Huh, buddy? Wow, look at that. HI. All right, let's get going. That's what I do when I'm at Paradise Cove. I've been here so many times. I couldn't tell you. It's still extremely nice. It's just, you can only do it so many times, you know. The food's delicious and they got drinks. So enjoy.
At this time, your host or hostess may not excusing you to our buffet lines.